Okay, so here we have an inner sleeve and we have a standard piece of 6-inch pipe that will fit to standard fittings of 150. As we know, the internal sleeve will not fit standard fittings. So what we've done is, when we come through the wall, imagining we're coming through the wall, and we're going to extend this pipe a little bit further out of the wall so we can attach a piece of 6-inch ducting straight to the end of it, and then obviously we can fit 90-degree bends and whatever other ducting you want to fit on in the 150 system. So you have to manipulate it on a little bit because it is very tight. So you've just got to be a bit forceful with it, but you will get it on. So then once you've got that in place, that's fitted to the end of your wall. So for instance, on your ducting coming into your loft from the outside, and then you'd probably most likely want to put a 90-degree bend or something like that. So there you go. So you've basically made a female to female connector as such out of the standard 6-inch ducting, but it will actually slide on, but it takes a little bit of manipulation. Or even you could try and sand the edge down a little bit, or you know, just try and make that first application as it's sliding on.
For more information, visit us online or call now